What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan enchiladas with the vegan cheese queso sauce. It's real easy, it's real quick, and your family, they're gonna love you for it. And your friends, oh my god, they really gonna love you for it. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you got everything pre-chopped. Everything pre-chopped. So as you can see here, I got my onions, I got my green bell peppers, I got my mushrooms. You know, mushrooms is good for the protein. Good for the protein. Got my skillet getting nice and hot. I'm gonna have that talking in just a second. So the first thing you want to start with is your onions. So we're gonna go ahead and move those into the skillet. Ooh, and when you hear that sizzle, that means the onions are talking. That's the sound of goodness right there. That's the sound of goodness. So we're gonna start saute with those first. Let's get those extra onions that fell over. Oh, got one more onion. Boom. So you want to start those in the skillet, get it nice and cook these up, saute them. You're going to saute them probably for about 5 minutes till they get translucent, meaning they get kind of clear. And that's when you know they're ready. And then you add in, then you're gonna add in the green bell peppers. Green bell peppers take a little bit longer to cook, so we're gonna add those in. Then eventually we're gonna add in the mushrooms. And we're building, compounding the flavors. And that's gonna be part of the filling to the enchiladas. Another thing we're adding to the filling of the enchilada is Spanish rice. And you make that with white rice. And you get 1 cup of white rice, 2 cups of water. Put them into the pot. Boil it on high. When it starts boiling, that's when you add 3 tablespoons of oil or 4 tablespoons of oil. Oil of your choice can be olive oil, vegetable oil, grapeseed oil. Doesn't matter. The oil is going to give it a little oomph, a little bit of flavor, and help it not be sticky. And if you want to add some zing to it, put some green or some black olives to kick it up a notch. And also, it won't be Spanish rice without the Saison Badia brand, because this brand doesn't have MSG in it. So you got to beware, because the other, like the Goya brand of Saison, it has MSG in it. And MSG, it enhances the flavor, but it bloats your stomach out. And you don't want to walk around looking like Bloat the Goat, and everybody be calling you a bloat. And you're like, oh my goodness, what do you mean? I will always work out. What do you mean? Okay, so this is cooking up real nice. It's cooking up real nice. I'm gonna turn up the fire, turn up the stove to about an 8. Oh yeah, also with the rice, you want to turn it on high. Then when it starts boiling, put a lid on it. As you can see, that's my lid. It's just a plate, but it works great. And then reduce the heat to a level 2. If you have a electric stove that goes from 1 to 10, you want to put it down to a 2. And if you have a gas stove, you want to put it on low heat, because the magic to cooking rice is steam cooks your rice. So you don't need a rice cooker. So that's going to be part of the filling to the vegan enchilada with the vegan cheese queso sauce. All that's going to go inside of it. The rice, the sauteed onions, the mushrooms, the green bell peppers. All that's going to be the filling. Okay, now the rice is done. You want to add your rice first. And then you want to start to the filling. As you can see, I got the kale. I added some kale, mushrooms, onions, and the bell peppers. That's for the filling. And we want to add a little bit of extra onions, you know, because we got to kick it up a notch with so much flavor. And now you want to form it like a enchilada. So we're going to go ahead and fold one time, fold two times, like that, like so. We're going to make us a little pocket. Now, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so I'm going to show y'all the finished product. You want to roll the left one over the right, like so. So now that you have it folded like so, we're going to pull it, put it in our skillet, flip it over on this bottom. And when it's cooking in the oven, that's when it's going to seal itself shut, like so. You got some stuff sticking out, some pockets sticking out, just tuck it. That's what it look like, boom. Then you want to start another one and line your whole pan up. I could probably fit 3 in there exactly. So now, as you can see, when it's all done, it looks like that. All lined up, 3 in a row. I brushed a little extra of leftover oil that was in the onions. I brushed it on top so it can make the top a little crispy. Now we're going to stick those bad boys in the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's let them get crispy. This is what it look like when they come out the oven. Look at all that. Nice brown on top. Still hear the skillet talking. So that's a basic enchilada. Traditionally you have red sauce and then you put cheese. But I'm not making red sauce. I'm just going to do cheese on top. So look out for the next video and you're going to learn how to make the vegan cheese queso. So subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. This is the finished product. Vegan cheese, vegan queso with the enchilada smothered in vegan cheese. We got the enchilada smothered in vegan cheese, vegan queso. So remember to subscribe to my channel, like this post, comment on the post on what other videos you want me to shoot. Oh yeah, and the cookbook is coming soon.